Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can go ahead and check out on Temu. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on Temu and I already have my cart set up. However, to add items to your cart, all you need to do is just click on these icons right next to the items you want and add them to your cart, and that should be it. Now you can go to your cart or directly to checkout. I'll first go to my cart, and here you'll see an overview of all of the items you've selected. You can then select or unselect them if you wish, and they will stay in your cart afterwards. However, you can also edit the quantity up to, I don't know, 100. I'm pretty sure, yeah, 99. And you can also click here on the trash can to delete it. You can also set the quantities to 0, and that's also gonna delete those items from your cart. Now, once you're done with that, you need to click on checkout, and that will take you to the checkout. And once you're here, you can enter coupon codes and enter all other information that you need. First, you'll be prompted to enter a shipping address before you arrive at this checkout screen. So just add your address, and then after that, you'll be in this checkout screen. And here you'll see another overview of your items on Temu, and then you'll be able to choose which type of delivery you would like, depending on the items. Because I have this item, I'm not very able to choose which the delivery method I would like. But for example, if I set the quantity to 0 and delete this, yes, I will have the option to select different shipping methods. However, as you'll see, some of them are grayed out because of some certain items such as this one. Now, once you do that, you can enter any coupon codes that you have, as I mentioned previously. Then click order and pay, select which payment method you would like over down here, and you should be good to go. And that is pretty much all you need to do to check out on Temu. Once you do this, your order will be processing, and after it processes, it'll be shipped to your address, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.